Find the HCF of x square y plus xy square plus xy. Option C is the answer, x of x plus y. Second one, simplify 5 of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 of 8 by 9. The answer is 6 of 1 by 6. Simplify 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 3 divided by 30 by 12 minus 12 by 9 into minus 27 by 16. Answer is option A, 53 by 12. Next, fourth one, according to Darwin specification, speciation is affected by option A, small continuous heritable variation. So fifth one, what are the factors affecting agriculture? So option A, 1, 2 and 3, that is rainfall, fertilizer position, minimum support price. Which of the following incident led Tandai Periyar to agitate for communal reservation? So option A, representation for the backward classes was very little in government jobs. According to Sustainable Development Goal India Index 2019 brought by Niti Aayog for the year 2019, Tamil Nadu stands third. So option C. Eighth one, water drop in space is spherical because in the absence or reduced effects of gravity, the forces governing the objects are all same and therefore the drop, option A, attains a shape having the least amount of surface area. Atti Kadavu and Avinasi scheme is related to option D, drinking water and groundwater recharge. 10th question, why Chennai is called as Detroit of Asia? Due to the presence of automobile industry. Option B is the correct answer. To reduce the investment and incremental capital output ratio, the following approaches are to be accomplished. So the correct options are 1, 3 and 4. So the option is A. According to All India Survey for Higher Education 2019, which state produced the maximum number of PhDs in the country in 2018? Option A, Tamil Nadu. Consider the following assertion and reason. Option B is correct. Both A and R are correct. Assertion, access to primary health centers help identification, care and prevention of communicable diseases in rural community. Reason, more optimum utilization of rural health infrastructure is expected to yield expected results. So both are correct. So the option A is correct. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Which is the first state to employ differently abled in the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? Option A, Kerala. Identify the personality. So the answer is option B, Rettai Malai Srinivasan. In January 2019, Indian government approved the merger of 3 banks. Which of the following does not figure in the merger? So Dina, Vijaya and Bank of Baroda became merged and into separate bank. Lakshmi Vilas is not included, so that is the correct answer. Post-tsunami sustainable livelihood program for the coastal communities of Tamil Nadu is assisted by option B, International Fund for Agriculture Development. Which of the following objectives are true with relevant to Tamil Nadu Society Welfare Board? So option 3 is wrong. To render technical and financial assistance to volunteer institution for better quality and standard services. Other 3 are correct. So the option A is the correct. 1, 2 and 4. Choose the correct statement related to black money. These are the assets not reported to the government at the time of their generation. So option A is correct. A only. So this question is related to population and with census. So the answer is D. S1 and S2 are correct and S2 explains S1. What are the recent trends in global economy which has led to RBI sell buy swap of USD and INR? So first one, A and B are correct. That is, financial market worldwide facing intense selling pressure due to the spread of COVID-19 infection, slump in international crude prices. So option A and B are correct. So option C is the correct answer. Name the first backward classes commission established in the year 1953. Kalekekar Commission. So option B is the correct answer. Which of the following statement regarding Arinjar Anna are correct? So he served as a sub-editor of Justice magazine. He became editor for Vidudalai. So option A and B are correct. The correct answer is option B. In 1944, at which district conference Justice Party was converted into Dravidar Kalagam? So option A, Salem. Which among the following statement is not an objective of Cradle Baby Scheme? So not an objective. So option A, to ensure adoption of family planning. To transfer substantive provinces under the Indian Penal Code, dowry givers should be excluded from punishment. Appointment of dowry prohibition officers. So this is regarding Dowry Protection Act 1961. So the option C is the correct answer, 1 and 3 only. The Samarasa Sutta Sanmarka Sangam was founded by option D, Ramalinga Adigal. During 1820s in Tamil Nadu, the subordinate caste were generally prohibited from using umbrella, wearing shoes, wearing golden ornaments, wearing turban. So B, C, D are correct. The option is D is the correct answer. What are the facts related to defining GDP? It is not for a specific period of time. So it will be certain years. So it's not for specific period of time. It measures both goods and services. So second one is also wrong. It is a non-monetary measure. No, it is a monetary measure. So A, B, C are wrong. So option C is the correct answer. Which district is occupying the last rank in Human Development Index in Tamil Nadu? Ariyalur. Option D is the correct answer. So match the following. In this one, the last one, if you match Cho Dharman with the Sul, then all the answers will be correct. So option C is the correct answer, 4312. Children Development Index takes into account the following factor. So education, income, nutritional status. Education, health, nutritional status, income will not be included. So the correct answer is 1, 3 and 4. Option B is the correct answer. Punjabi language has close connection with Hindi and Sindhi. Option B is the correct answer. 35. Which article of the Constitution of India mentions the abolition of untouchability? Article 17. Option B. Which ideology threatens Indian unity? So option A, communalism. This place is located 12 km southeast of Madurai. It proves that the fact that an urban civilization existed in Tamil Nadu in the Sangam era on the banks of river Vaigai. A researcher and a retired civil servant Thiru R. Balakrishnan points to the similarities between the civilization and Indus Valley civilization. Which of the following places is described in the paragraph above? Option C, Keeladi. Which book explains the Four Noble Truths of Buddhism? Petago Padesa. So option B is the correct answer. Who first brought Christian faith into South India? Option D, St. Thomas. The philosophy was purportedly founded in the 5th century BC by Mahaliga Kosala. It was a major rival of Vedic religion. It reached the height of its popularity during the rule of Mauryan Empire Bindusara around 4th century BC. This school of thought was followed for nearly 2000 years. to the 14th century CE in the southern states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Which school of thought is described here? Ajivika, option B. How the coronation of crown prince was described under Vijayanagar rule? So option D, Yuvaraja Pattabhishekam. If a simple pendulum with a mass of the bob m as a time period t, then if the same pendulum another bob with mass 2m replaces the original bob, now the time period is, so there will not be change in time period, so option C, T. Alamgir Nama was written by whom? Muhammad Qasim, option B. Next, 44, arrange the chronological order. So it is given in the correct order: death of Humayun, second battle of Panipat, building of Fatehpur Sikri, proclamation of Din Ilahi. So the option B is the correct answer. Which land distribution system adopted by Sultan of Delhi's Equadari? So option A is the correct answer. Match the following. So Mahabalakrita is matched with option 1 commander of cavalry, Mahavasapti, option 2 commander in chief. So it is given in the correct order. So the option C is the correct answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who was the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India at the time of Indus Valley excavation? Sir John Marshall. Option B is the correct answer. More than 500 seals have been discovered in Indus Valley civilization. Which are all? So what it is made up of? Tetracotta. So option C is the correct answer. The source of dendrothermal energy is biomass. Option A. Which of the following is the consequences of climate change related to warming of rivers? So fish migration. So option B is the correct answer. The major causes for depletion of ozone is aerosol. Option A. The pollutant which cause impairment in plant metabolism is sulfur dioxide. The chairperson of National Disaster Management Authority is Prime Minister. Then if it is state, then it will be Chief Minister. The most important scheduled tribes of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand is option D, Tharus. The most populous state of India is Uttar Pradesh. The total number of railway zones in India are 17 zones and now it is 18. Dash soil is found in all districts of Tamil Nadu except Nilgiris. Option A, red soil. Identify the option in which the rivers are given in north to south sequence. So first Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Option B. A supercomputer that allows researchers to model energy technologies using artificial intelligence is Joule 2.0. Option A. Which of the following facts about COVID virus is or are wrong? So option A, B and D are correct. So option B is the correct answer. The one who gave false judgment was deeply hurt by himself. The woman who pulled out one of her breasts to burn the city. These lines, which seem to indicate the story Kannagi, is found in which of the following Sangam literature texts? So option B, Natrinai. Which of the following river originate in Karnataka? So except Bhavani, all these rivers starts at Karnataka. So option D is the. So consider the following statement referred to family planning program. So 1 and 3 are correct. So option B is the correct answer. Kalpana Chawla Award for Courage and Daring Enterprises in 2020 was awarded to, so option D, Senthamil Selvi Muthammal Anandavalli. So it was shared among three people. The World Sustainable Development is clearly indicative of the fact that natural assets are finite. Option A. So the following are the functions of Niti Aayog. Find out which are wrongly listed. So second and fourth one are listed wrongly. So option C is the correct answer. Which of the following statement regarding political parties in India is or are correct? Parties in India function within the institutional framework of federal structure and are bound by country's electoral laws and rules. Strong institutionalized parties are vital for healthy democracies. So both are correct. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is wrongly matched? So option B, My Country, My Life. Dalai Lama is the wrong answer. So match the following. So if polo is matched with 4, then you will get the answer automatically. So option B is the correct answer, 4, 1, 2, 3. So which of the following are not situated in Rajasthan? So C and D is not situated in Rajasthan. So option B is the correct answer. So match the following to women personalities with their achievement. So the correct answer is option C, 3, 1, 4, 2. So if you mark correctly Hampi with Karnataka, then you will get the correct answer, 3, 1, 4, 2. Option A is the correct answer. Where was the venue of the third Global Conference on Road Safety in collaboration with WHO and World Bank in 2020 held? Stockholm. Option A is the correct answer. The term biodiversity indicates genetic variation and diverse ecosystem. Option C is the correct answer. Kidney stones are formed by the precipitation of following chemicals. So cysteine, oxalate, uric acid. So option B is the correct answer. The color of the skin in ripe apple, tomato and grapefruit is due to accumulation of carotenoid. Option A is the correct answer. Single cell eukaryotes are included in Protista. Option C. In the Haber's process for the manufacture of ammonia, so catalyst what is added? Finely divided iron is used as a catalyst. Option A. So this is a easy question. What are isotones? Atoms having same number of neutrons but different number of protons. Option B. Silicon is one of the best known semiconducting material. As its temperature is more, it becomes a better conductor, but the temperature at which the silicon is permanently damaged is 250 degrees Celsius. A rock containing the fluorescing calcite is illuminated by ultraviolet light. Then the color of the rock seems to be blue. Option B. Raman effect is scattering by impure gases. Option D. The common table salt is compound. Option A. Which of the following statement is or are true related to COVID-19? So option 4, sunlight does not protect oneself from COVID-19. So this one is a proven fact. So option D only. So D is the correct answer. So on rear wheel drive cars with the engine in front, it is common practice to increase the load. So they increase the load at the back to protect them from icy roads. Option A. With whom can we associate the following quotes? Be educated, be organized and be agitated. So Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar. Option A. So specific experiment, that is blue to red. Blue litmus paper changes to red when it contact with acid. So the answer is A, deductive. Among the following, whom can be considered as an intellectual who anticipated Dr. B.R. Ambedkar by 2 generations? So option A, Ayodhidas Pandidar. Name the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu during anti-Hindi agitation in 1965. So option C, Bhaktavachalam. Tandai Periyar passed resolution for the welfare of women in the Suyamariyadai Conference of Chengalpat. So option D. Tandai Periyar referred as the philosophy of self-respect movement to option D. Doing a thing which one believes to be right on the basis of reasoning. Thereafter, if any correction is to be made, correcting the mistakes on the basis of reasoning, and also having the mindset to accept the implication of such actions. Who presided over the first Madras State Self-Respect Conference? Option A, Soundra Pandian. So, match the following. If Rajay is matched with Trivika, matched with T. Prakasam, then everything would be correct. 2, 1, 4, 3. Option C is the correct answer. In 1916, South Indian People Association was renamed as option C, Justice Party. Which political association became known as Justice Party? Option D, South Indian People's Association. Who first introduced cartoon pictures in Tamil magazine? Option C, C. Subramanya Bharati. Which of the following idea does not fall within Tandai Periyar definition of civilization? Accepting every religion. Option A. Who started the journal, namely Dravida Panditan? Option A, D. John Rathinam. Name the woman leader who participated in Nail Statue Satyagraha in Tamil Nadu in 1927. Option B, Padmasani Ammal. Which one of the following statements is or are correct regarding Shenbagaram Pillai? So option D is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4 are correct. So he is born in Kanyakumari district of Tanvakur, and he started Bharata Mata Valiba Sangam. Then he married Lakshmi Bai of Indian National Army in 1931. He joined the German army and fight against English in First World War. Which woman freedom fighter participated in the Madras Salt Satyagraha? Option A, K.P. Sundarambal. Which one of the factors responsible for the South Indian Rebellion? So all the 4 are correct. So option D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dash dash dash. These 3 for hire to rulers of the land belong. The above Tirukural, the word these 3 means sleepless, promptitude, knowledge and decision making. Option C. Whom does Valluvar call a fool through his learned and scholarly? One who does not get along with the society. Option B. Dash. These are the 4 a light of dreaded king reveal. What are the 4 virtues of a king according to Thiruvalluvar? Option C. Beneficence, benevolence, rectitude and care for his people. Option C. What does the following Thirukural irritate? False behavior. Option C. What are the facts related to hand sanitizer? Most of them are acid based and not alcohol based. First one is wrong because it is alcohol based. They are flammable. Yes, it is correct. So the option B only is the correct answer. Option B. How does Thiruvalluvar guide us to overcome trouble? Giving trouble to the trouble. Option C. So the answer for this Thirukural is option B, gives austeries, Dhanam and Davam. What are the symptoms of COVID-19? Fever, dry cough, fatigue, loss of taste, sore throat, breathing difficulty. So all the 4 are correct. So option D, A, B, C, D. Pick out the effect that is not related to the impacts of earthquake. So option D, depression zone formation. Whom does Valluvar refer to as blocks in the Kural? So those who are void of human courtesy. Option B. According to Thiruvalluvar, what is friendship with good compared to? Having books that give perpetual delight. So option B. The saying Thirukural has a balanced religious equality is because all the above are right. 4 points are correct. So option D. Who is the author of novel Manal Veedu? So option A, Anuthamma. Which of the following book received Sahitya Academic Award written by Milan Melanmai Ponnusamy. So option A, Minsarappu. Option A is the correct answer. Who wrote the poem that has this as opening lines? Anbu Sivam Renvar Arivalar. So option D, Tirumular. Which of the following epic describes the significance of Tamilar music? So option A, Silapadigaram. Who among the four Nayanmas made his art the temple for Lord Shiva? Poosalar. Option B. What are the characteristics of a classical language? It has an independent literary tradition. It has a large ancient body of oral literature only. It has a large and ancient body of written literature. So second option is wrong. So A and C only. Option D. Which characteristic is expressed in Perupannatru Padai verse? So the correct answer is option D, hospitality. Virundombal. According to evaluation report of Niti Aayog related to minimum support price, which of the following statement is or are correct? So A and B is correct. MSP is declared before the sowing season. The idea behind MSP is to give guaranteed price to the farmers and save them from price fluctuations. So A and B only. So option B is the correct answer. According to Nobel laureate Abhijit Banerjee, what is the only solution to overcome the economic pain in the short term in the wake of COVID-induced economic crisis? So what did Abhijit Banerjee said? Putting more money in the hands of the poor. So option C is the correct answer. Regarding the Indian economy, which of the following reflect unprecedented suspension of economic activity in the first quarter of this fiscal, April to June, due to the COVID pandemic? So construction sector is also reduced, contracted, and manufacturing sector is also contracted. So 1 and 2, A and B is the correct answer. Option A. Which one of these statement is incorrect regarding the Mesolithic period? So fourth option, these people burn their dead bodies. So that one is the incorrect statement. So option D is the correct answer. Regarding the word fraternity in the preamble of the Indian Constitution, click the correct statement. So it leaves no room for regionalism, it leaves room for communalism, it leaves no room for casteism. So option A and C are correct. So option A. Arrange the chronological order. So it is in the correct order 1, 2, 3, 4. Option A is the correct answer. Name the biographical work of Abdul Kalam Azad which was written during the internment in 1916. So option A, Tazkira. Who produced the greatest work, Tarjuman Quran, a translation of Quran from Arabic to Urdu? So option C, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad? So 2, 3, 4 are correct. 1 is incorrect. He was born in Kolkata. That one is wrong. So option D is the correct answer. Which of the following day was named to celebrate the release of Bipin Chandra by Swadeshi leader of Tamil Nadu? So option C, Swarajya Day. Which one of the statement is correct regarding Bardiyar? So Bardiyar participated in the Indian National Conference at Kasi in 1905. In 1906 he started Bala Bharata Sabha at Chennai. He participated in Surat Congress in 1907 along with VOC. He composed the poem Vangame Valliyave. So option B, all the statements are correct. The editor of Tamil Daily Kudiyarasu, so Thandai Periyar. Option A is the correct answer. Name the person who threw a bomb along with Bhagat Singh on the Central Assembly in Delhi. So option D, Patukeshwar Dutt is the correct answer. Rabindranath Tagore renounced his knighthood in protest against Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Option C is the correct answer. Which one of the statement is correct regarding the Subhash Chandra Bose? So all the four statements are correct. Option B is the correct answer. Regarding the Purna Sarvajanik Sabha, consider the statement. So fourth option is only wrong. So other three are correct. So option C is the correct answer. Which one of these statements is incorrect regarding Gokhale? So he started Servants of Indian Society in 1905. First one is correct. He went into South Africa and helped Gandhi in his movement against color bar. So that one also correct. Gandhi accepted Gokhale as political guru. That one also correct. Gandhi described Gokhale as Diamond of India, the Jewel of Maharashtra and Prince of Workers. So fourth one is incorrect. So option B, 1, 2, 3 are correct. Only 4 is incorrect. Is the correct answer. Who served as British ambassador to the Mughal court? So option C, Thomas Roe. Who was called the King of Two Worlds? Option C, Dhundaji Wagh. What is the density of population? So option A, the number of people living in per square kilometer. In 1929, at a self-respect movement conference in Chengalpattu, Thandai Periyar passed a resolution relating to an important matter. So in 1989, 60 years later, Tamil Nadu has passed a law in this regard. On August 11, 2020, Supreme Court passed a judgment in this regard. What is this? So option B, giving equal rights to women in family properties. As per Velpari, the book written by Su Venkatesan, the Sahitya Ahmadi winning writer, Pari was a man of nature who knew birds, insects, plants like the back of his hand. The story Velpari was that of conflict between man's greed and nature. Which of the above statement is or are correct? So both the options are correct. Option C is the correct answer. With regard to the review related to the Tamil film and masterpiece Pariyerum Perumal, choose the correct statement. Shows the ill effects of caste system. So correct. It won the Filmfare Award under the best film category. Second option also correct. It was a movie directed by Tirumari Selvaraj and produced by Neelam Production. So that one also correct. So option C, A, B and C. Why India has not become self-reliant in edible oil productions? High cultivation cost, low productivity, lack of government support, deficient domestic demand. So option 2, low productivity. Option A is the correct answer. Which one of the following agriculture practices is eco-friendly? Option A, organic farming. Every registered landholder is its proprietor. The system is called as Routry system. Option A. Identify the sector of Indian economy which are most affected by COVID pandemic. So MSME sector, aviation sector, tourism and hospitality. These three options get affected. Telecommunication is very improved in this pandemic. So option B, A, B, C. Which of the following states has shown the declining trend in GST goods and service tax for the year 2019 to 2020? Option D, Maharashtra, West Bengal and Tamil Nadu. Consider the following statement. The objectives of fiscal policy are capital formation, equitable distribution, unemployment, regional balance. From this, which are the correct statement? Capital formation, equitable distribution, regional balance. So option B, 1, 2 and 4. Consider the following statement. The objective factor for determinants of consumption function are, so 1, 2 and 3. Motive of precaution, motive of liquidity, motive of avarice. So option B is the correct answer. Which is not related to direct tax revenue of the central government? Option C, taxes on commodities and services. The first blueprint for Indian planning came from an engineer administrator M. Vishveshwaraya. So option A is the correct answer. Consider the following statement. So third option is wrong, others all are correct. So option C 1, 2 and 4. Which are the correct statement related to T-bill, treasury bill? So they are issued by Government of India. Option B, treasury bills pay no interest. So these two options are correct. Option B, B and C only. Tandai Periyar wanted people to consider the following as equal to their lives. So option C, self-respect. Consider the following statement. The term of office of the Attorney General of India is not fixed by the Constitution. The remuneration of the Attorney General of India is not fixed by the Constitution. So both 1 and 2 are correct. So option C. A chief minister supported by Tandai Periyar challenged that show me a person who died because of lower caste doctor wrongly injected, or show me a building that collapsed because it was built by a lower caste engineer. So it was option B, Kamarajar. Consider the following statement. A high court has a jurisdiction to punish for its contempt, and option 4, issue certain writs to protect fundamental rights. So option A 1 and 4 only. Which of the following statements are not true? So option A is not true. So option A is the correct answer. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution specifies the power, authority and responsibility of Panchayat? 11th schedule. Option D. Consider the following statement. Government is appointed by the President. Correct. He is the nominee of the central government. Correct. And third one is wrong. The draft constitution provided for indirect election of the governor. Option 4 is correct. The Constituent Assembly opted for the indirect appointment of the governor. So choose the correct answer. Option C 1, 2 and 4 is only correct. Which of the following institution has the final power of deciding on the composition of the upper house of the state legislature? So option A, Parliament. The Indian President has a veto power over ordinary bill and state legislative bill. So option A 1 and 4 only. Money bills cannot be introduced in the Parliament without President's approval. The Finance Commission is appointed by the President. Which of the above statements are correct? 2 only. Option B is the correct answer. The Council of Ministers of the Parliament hold office during the pleasure of option B, President. Which of the following articles broadly govern the relationship between the Prime Minister and the President? So Article 74, 75 and 78. Directive principles of state policy are described as life-giving provisions of the Constitution by L.M. Singhvi. Consider the following statements on fundamental duties. So 2 and 3 are correct. It is applicable only to Indian citizen. All fundamental duties are either moral or civil duties. Which of the following rights was converted as legal right? So option D, right to property. So identify the fundamental duty that was added in 2002 by the 86th Amendment Act. So option D, to provide opportunities for education to children between the age of 16 to 14 years. Consider the following statement. The Constitution of India established a parliamentary form of government. Prime Minister is the head of the government. President is the head of the government. Real executive power rests with the President of India. So 1 and 2 is only correct. Others are all wrong. By what name are names in our country mentioned in the Indian Constitution? So option B, India and Bharat. So match the following. For Article 39, abolished heredity property. Article 48, protection of ecology environment from pollution. So the correct option is option B, 4, 1, 2, 3. Match the following. Preamble as said by. So political horoscope. So if you match with first one, K.M. Munshi, so you get all the correct answer. So option C, 4, 5, 2, 1. Find the value of k if 1 cube plus 2 cube k cube equal to 44,100. So option A, 20. So which one is true? We have to find this one. So option B, A is larger than B by 1. Find the missing number. So the difference will be 33. So we have to add 108 with 33. So option A, 147. The given number pattern, find the next term. So here 3 twice, then 4 thrice, then 5 4 times, then the next letter should be 6 times. See, the next term should be 5 times. So option D is the correct one. If Ambur is written by the code, what does the code education mean? So option D is the correct answer. What is the probability of getting an even number when a die is thrown? So option C, 1 by 2. The present ages of Arun and Suresh are 24 years and 36 years respectively. What was the ratio between the ages of Suresh and Arun 8 years ago? So option C, 7:4. A and B together can do a piece of work in 16 days. A alone can do it in 48 days. How long will B alone take it to complete the work? So option B, 24 days. 210 men working 12 hours a day can finish a job in 18 days. How many men are required to finish the job in 20 days working 14 hours a day? So 162 men. Option B. If a person complete 5 projects in 5 days, then 50% complete 50 projects in 5 days. Option A. A mason uses the expression to represent the area of a rectangular floor of a room. If we decide that the length of the room will be represented by 2 of x plus 2, then what will be the width of the room be represented in terms of x? So option C, x squared minus 2x plus 4. The volume of a solid hemisphere is 29,106 centimeter cube. Another hemisphere whose volume is 2/3 of the above is carved out. Find the radius of the new hemisphere. So option C, 21 centimeter. The difference between simple and compound interest on a certain sum of money is 2 years at 2% per annum is 4. Find the sum of the money. So option C, 10,000. The difference between compound interest and simple interest accrued on amount 18,000 in 2 years is 405. Then the rate of interest per annum is 15%. Find the rate of interest if the difference between CI and SI on 8,000 compound annually for 2 years is 20. Option A, 5%. Find the principal on amount 11,800 at 6% per annum for 3 years being simple interest annually. So option C, 10,000. So in this sum we have to find depreciation. So answer is D. In this we have to find rate of interest per year for the given amount. So it is 7%. So here you have to calculate the height of the tree. So it is 60 feet. A shopkeeper marked the price of an article as 15% more on its cost price and then offered 15% reduction for the article. Then he got option B, loss. A hemispherical tank of radius 1.7 meter is full of water. It is connected with a pipe which empties the tank at a rate of 7 liters per second. How much time will it take to empty the tank completely? So option A, 27 minutes. So find the LCM of x power 4 minus 1, x square minus 2x plus 1. So option D is the correct answer.